Hello, today I'm reviewing this ULANZI tripod and you can just ask me like, is this a really tripod? And trust me, this one is the best for travel. I absolutely love it because it's super lightweight. It's easy to use and let me actually show you. And one of the points I love about this tripod is that you can use it with your camera, but also you can use it with your phone. So it could be your selfie stick or it could also be your tripod. Very easy, very lightweight. Let's put it together, see how much we like it. Here we can easily open our legs and we can just slowly start extending it out. And another point I also want to mention, just for the reference, look how tall it is. So this is up to like 72-inch tall. Do you even see me right here? This is how tall it is. And just for the reference, very quick, this is my regular tripod. I absolutely love it. Don't get me wrong. This is heavy duty one. I love to film with it inside the house. But do you see the difference? This one has these legs and it just spreads all over the place versus this one is more lightweight. It's very easy to use and it's more compact. I can easily use this tripod somewhere like behind my desk where I don't really have a lot of space, but I still want to mount something like my camera, for example, or my phone. And it's just very slim. It's very easy to use, very lightweight and perfect for travel. And right here on the top, I can easily open it up and put my phone right here. So you can see now I have my phone. It's all mounting up and I can film or vertical or horizontal. It's like super easy, rotates very easy. Or if you have a camera, you don't need your phone, it's super easy. Look at that. You can just mount your regular camera on top right here and it's so easy to put it up and down. And one little feature this tripod has, it's right here, a little remote, so you can easily use it to turn it on and off your camera, your phone, and it will be very easy filming. And it's such a cool feature because it just comes and you can put it back right in the leg, so it's always with you no matter how you use this tripod. Overall, if you are looking for a lightweight, easy to carry selfie stick and tripod all together in one, highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.